Hey guys, today we are going to solve a question which is from the topic DNA and it is from the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Okay, so let's start. So our question is, there are 30% adenine among the bases in a DNA fragment measuring 6.8 nanometer length. The number of H bond in this DNA fragment are. Okay, that means total bases जो present है 6.8 नैनोमीटर लेंथ में उसका 30% इज एडेनिन. तो हमें बताना है इस डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट ऑफ 6.8 नैनोमीटर लेंथ इसमें टोटल एच बॉन्ड्स यानी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स कितने हैं. ओके, सो इफ वी सी आवर डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल it is like this. Okay, so what we know basic about DNA that in one turn the length of DNA is 3.4 nanometer and in one turn also there are 10 base pairs. एक टर्न में टोटल 10 बेस पेयर्स होते हैं. ओके, तो अगर हमें नंबर ऑफ एच बॉन्ड्स बताने हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि इस गिवन लेंथ में टोटल बेसेस कितने हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी नो दैट इन वन टर्न देयर इज 3.4 नैनोमीटर लेंथ. ओके, तो हम पहले पता कर लेते हैं कि टोटल टर्न्स कितने हुए, उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग हम नंबर ऑफ बेसेस निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, सो इफ़ यू कैलकुलेट टर्न्स गिवन लेंथ upon the length in one turn, what we get is 2. That means there are total 2 turns. Okay, so in one turn if there are 10 base pairs, so in 2 turn there will be 20 base pairs. That means 20 base pairs, that means 40 bases. Okay, now as mentioned in the question में जैसा दिया हुआ है 30% adenine among the bases in a DNA fragment measuring 6.8 nanometer length. Okay, तो टोटल बेसिस हमारे प्रेजेंट है 40 एंड 40 का 30% इफ वी कैलकुलेट वी विल गेट 12. ओके, दैट मीन्स देर आर 12 एडेनिन एंड वी नो दैट चारगाफ रूल, अकॉर्डिंग टू चारगाफ रूल प्यूरिन इज इक्वल टू pyrimidine. दैट मीन्स इफ देर आर 12 एडेनिन then there will be 12 thymine also. Both adenine and thymine will be 12 and 12. So total of them will be 12 plus 12, that is 24. What is 24? Adenine plus thymine. Okay, we have adenine plus thymine is equal to 24. Now left part is cytosine and guanine. So what is left, क्या बच जाता है? 40 minus 24 will be 16. Okay, so what is 16? It is cytosine plus guanine. That means according to Chargaff rule again, number of purine is equal to number of pyrimidine. Okay, so 16 in 16, 8 will be cytosine and 8 will be guanine. Okay, 8 will be cytosine and 8 will be guanine. Now we know that adenine forms double bond with thymine and cytosine forms triple bond with guanine. Okay, so if we calculate one, that is adenine and cytosine, we will get the complete. Why? Because we have taken bases, number of bases. This is 40 is the number of bases, it is not the base pairs. Okay, this we have to keep in our mind. Okay, so if adenine is 12 and it forms double bond, that is 2 bonds with thymine, then total number of bonds will be 12 into 2 is equal to 24. And if cytosine is 8, it forms triple bond with guanine, then 8 into 3 is again 24. Okay, so these are the number of hydrogen bonds formed by them. So what will be the total number of hydrogen bond? Total will be 24 formed by adenine and thymine plus 24 formed by cytosine and guanine. What we will get is 48. This will be our answer. Okay, so let's check the options. Okay, so here is the option. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.